miles from nowhere. Guess I'll take my time, oh yes, to reach there. Look up at the mountain I have to climb, oh yes, to reach there. Lord, my body has been a good friend, but I won't need it when I reach the end. Miles from nowhere, I guess I'll take my time, oh yeah, to reach there. I creep through the valley and I grope through the woods, 'cause I know when I find it, my honey, it's gonna make me feel good. Yes, I love everything, so don't it make you feel sad, 'cause I'll drink to you, my baby, I'll think to that, yes, I'll think to that. Miles from nowhere, not a soul inside, oh yes, but it's alright. I have my freedom, I can make my own rules, oh yes, the ones that I choose. Lord, my body has been a good friend, yeah, but I won't need it when I reach the end. I love everything, so don't it make you feel sad, 'cause I'll drink to you, my baby, I'll sing to that, yes, I'll think to that, I'll think to that, oh yeah. Miles from nowhere, guess I'll take my time, oh yes, to reach there. Thank you. Okay. It's not time to make a change. Just relax and take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to know. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. I was once like you are now, and I know that it's not easy to be calm when you found something going on. But take your time, think a lot, but think of everything you got, for you will still be here tomorrow, but your dreams may not. How can I try to explain? 'Cause when I do, he turns away again. It's always been the same old story. From the moment I could talk, I was ordered to listen. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I I have to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's not time to make a change. Just sit down, take it slowly. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you have to go through. Find a girl and settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I am old, but I'm happy. All the times that I'm crying, keeping all the things I knew inside is hard, but it's harder to ignore it. If they were right, I'd agree, but it's them they know, not me. Now there's a way, and I know that I have to go away. I know I have to go. Thank you. Thank you.